In today's video, I am going to teach you how to fix line thickness. Line weight not showing or changing in AutoCAD. If you've assigned line weights to your geometry and everything still looks wafer thin on screen, you are likely dealing with a simple display setting. AutoCAD separates how line weights appear on your screen from how they plot. So even if your line weights are correct, they won't visually change in the drawing area unless line weight display is turned on. Here is the quickest way to fix it. Go to the command line, type LW display and press enter. This tells AutoCAD to actually show line weight differences in the current view. As soon as it's on, you should notice thicker and thinner lines where you've specified them. If you don't see a dramatic change, try zooming in a bit to better see the variation. Very fine line weights can look similar at a distant zoom. If you prefer using the interface instead of a command, look to the status bar in the bottom right. Find the Show or Hide Line Weight button and click it to toggle line weight display on. If that icon isn't visible, click the small customization button with the 3 lines at the far right of the status bar and enable line weight from the list. Once the icon appears, turn it on and your line weights will display immediately. Remember, this toggle affects only what you see on screen. It doesn't change your plotted output, which follows your actual line weight settings. Now, if line weights still don't look right, make sure your objects are using the intended source for their line weight. The most reliable workflow is to have objects set to by layer or by block, so they inherit line weight settings from their layer or block definition. Select a few objects and check their properties. If a specific fixed line weight is assigned directly to an object, it will ignore the layer's line weight. Switching it to bi-layer hands control back to the layer, which keeps your drawings consistent and easier to manage. Also take a moment to confirm that your layers aren't overridden. An override can force a different thickness than you expect, even when objects are set to bi-layer. Review your layer settings and clear any unexpected overrides so the correct line weight flows through to your objects. With LW display turned on, the line weight icon accessible, and your objects inheriting settings properly, you should see the line thickness you intended right there on screen. Thanks for watching.